Good morning everyone, it's Susie from Underground Orchid and welcome to our balcony. So as you see, it's a beautiful day. We are in a 10th floor and we don't have a garden, we have just balcony, but we grow a lot of things in here. As you see, got some sweet peas, we have herbs, we have flowers, the petunias, we have nasturtiums, we have marigolds. And as you see, I've got tomatoes, and here are the chilies. They are chilling and they doing so well. We've got so many chilies. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them. Anyways, here are the tomatoes, which are surprisingly doing super well. Got some more flowers on the table. As you see, the tomatoes are just in a small trough, and they're actually on a windy place as well because we are on the 10th floor. And they're doing super well. I have no idea what varieties they are because I basically have 10 different bags with 10 different tomatoes. I have no idea which ones they are because I never put any label on them. I've got some strawberries. Next to the strawberries I've got the beans. And I've got more tomatoes and some more flowers. They're all from a mixture of seeds for butterflies. And down there I have mint and chives. Next to it, it's Fatsia, which in here where we are is normally used as a houseplant, but because it's summer we just put it out. I miss having a garden. Anyways, let's do some work. So here we are in my room, in my messy table. There's a bunch of cables on my table and it's dark right now, and that's how it looks like. And now you have to put a blog post on the website. So today it's a blog post about this abandoned castle we found, which is amazing but also very sad. So definitely check it out. Just go to the undergroundorchid.com, choose your language and go to the blog and you'll find it there. Well, alright, it's about 4 o'clock. I'm getting hungry. Also, I've got some weird fox in here. Oh no, strange animal. Yeah, what I'm gonna do? Oh, really? Oh, what should I cook? What should I cook? I'd really like some kind of a veggie pate. I'm gonna do that. Alright, let's get cooking. So, we're gonna make a lentil pate. But first, we are going to make a cracker to put the pate on. So, I've got a just multi-seed type of cracker. I don't know, I don't really know any cracker recipes, so I'm just gonna go with whatever I have at home. So, bunch of seeds, sunflower seeds, hemp seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, water, mix it up and see what's gonna happen with it. Alright, let's get rolling. Well, as you see, I have some help today, so I would normally just make a square crackers, but nope, the decision was made here, and the decision was to make hearts. Anyways, you would be thinking that I know exactly what I'm doing when I'm doing cooking videos on YouTube, but nope, I have no idea. Yeah, I usually know like briefly what I'm doing, but pretty much just go along with things I think I know. I don't know. I mostly don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I forgot to put the seasonings in it, so I had to put a salt and pepper on the top, and I brush it with a little bit of oil as well, and then I put it in the oven. Anyways, let's get to do the pate. So again, I mean I did before something similar, so I don't really remember the recipe, but I'm guessing that's what I put in it, or that I'm guessing it's gonna be really good. So I have some lentils. The lentils was already in water and it was boiling, so it's already done. So I am going to put the onion and garlic, and I'm gonna put some walnuts and some sunflower seeds, just make a more interesting texture. I'm gonna put some rosemary in it and blend it up before I add the lentils. So yep, that is done. So let's add the lentils in it. This is a normal brown lentils. And I'm gonna put some seasoning. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. This is a grapeseed oil, I think. And then I'm gonna obviously add some herbs, pepper, salt, cumin, and paprika. Use more herbs. And now I'm gonna add some beetroot so it has a nice reddish color, so it looks more like a pate. A little more salt, and let's blend it up. Oh, I'll put some herbs as well. That is some coriander from our balcony. Yep, looks pretty good, to be honest. Let's try to put it decoratively on our crackers. The fox is still here. This is another strange animal from the other side, so here it is.
Hello.
So, oops. Let's try that. That's not bad. Fox stole my food! Ah, she's gone. How is it? So I'm back in my room and I am working on a coloring book. So I have a lot of drawings which I was already thinking I don't have any other use. So I was thinking I'm going to make a coloring book. I mean, a lot of people telling me, why don't you color your drawings and this and that? Well, I did not, but you know, if you like to color, you can. It's available on Amazon, it's available worldwide. If you like coloring, go get it. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.